Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook veggie fried rice. First, let's get organized. You'll need about 3 cups of day-old cooked rice. This is key for the best texture. Also, have ready 2 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables like peas, carrots, and corn. Don't forget your soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and a couple of eggs if you like. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Now, let's get cooking. Heat a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat with 2 tablespoons of a neutral cooking oil, like canola or vegetable oil. Toss in your minced garlic and ginger, stir-frying for about 30 seconds until you can smell their wonderful aroma. Then, add your harder vegetables, such as carrots, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes before incorporating softer ones like peas and corn. Next, it's time for the star of the show, the rice. Push your cooked vegetables to one side of the wok, creating an empty space. Add your 3 cups of day-old rice to this space, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Stir-fry the rice for about 2 minutes to heat it through. Then, pour in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, mixing everything together until well combined. For the grand finale, if you're adding eggs, you can quickly scramble 2 eggs in a separate pan or push the rice to one side and cook them directly in the wok before mixing them in. Finally, stir in any fresh herbs, like a 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, for a burst of freshness and color. Serve your delicious homemade veggie fried rice immediately, garnished with extra green onions if desired. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.